जागतीक दर्यावेळ नितळसाण दिसा निमतान कोस्ट गार्ड आनी कांय एजन्सींनी बोगमाळो दर्यावेळेर नितळसाण उपक्रम राबयल्लो. कोस्ट गार्ड गोंयचे सुमार 14 दर्यावेळो ह्या दिसा निमतान नितळ करपाचे आसात. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
The Indian Coast Guard in India is a central coordinating agency for International Coastal Cleanup Day. We go to all beaches, particularly if you say at Goa, we are going to about 14 beaches, and with coordination with the other stakeholders, hotels, resort, school children, other services like CISF, we are cleaning these beaches. Condition of beaches at Goa is better if you compare to other beaches, especially at Versova, Bombay or Juhu beaches. So the aim is to create an awareness among the people and to tell them that, you see, your beaches are good, we have to maintain like this, and whatever small plastics and other debris is floating there, we'll be cleaning this. This also becomes very important after this Ganesh Chaturthi. As you can see, that there are some emulsions of the ideals there. So we are here to clean this beach and bring this beach to a spick and span situation as it was